Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on your Blackview BL6000 Pro 5G. So in order to do that, we'll need to open our Google Play Store and from here begin the search of an app. Write Microsoft Edge. And hit the search button. Now select this app and install it. After installation process is complete, we'll be able to open our app. From here begin the customization, and here you can add or sign in to the account in order to synchronize other browsers. Now I'm gonna sign in later. Here you can enable or disable sharing data preferences with Microsoft. I'm gonna disable it and then confirm. You can also set Microsoft Edge as your default browser or press not now if you want. So I'm gonna set it. Here select Edge and then set as default. Right here we have a fully working browser. We can open any website and it should load without any problem. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.